Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to supercharge your BuddyPress community using the hashtag plugin. You have seen them on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, but hashtags aren't just for social media anymore. In BuddyPress, hashtag connect conversation across your community. Think of them as a smart topic tags that make it super easy for members to discover, explore and engage. So let's get started. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to WP plugin and click on BuddyPress Hashtag. Then click on General. From here you can enable Unicode characters like symbols, emojis, and set minimum and maximum hashtag length. And from here you can enable or disable hashtag on blog post whether you want there or not. And from here you can disable follow hashtags setting, then click on save changes. Now in hashtag index setting you can see all the hashtags used in your community, their count, and you can also delete those. Next, in shortcodes there are two shortcodes available for widgets, BuddyPress Hashtag and BuddyPress Hashtag. You can use them according to your community's need. Now let's see the plugin in action. Go to your activity feed, then enter your hashtag. You can choose between profile or group, then click on post update. Now your hashtag will turn into a clickable link, and when you click on any hashtag, you can see all the activities related to that particular hashtag. You can also follow any hashtag you want. Just go to account setting, then click on follow hashtag, then enter hashtag you want to follow like football, then go to activity, then click on followed hashtag. Now you will see all the activities related to your follow hashtag like football. This plugin isn't limited to activity streams. It works beautifully with BuddyPress forums and even WordPress blog posts. That means members can tag and track discussion everywhere. And that's it. You are ready to turn static activity stream into a dynamic discoverable conversation using BuddyPress Hashtag. If you are building a vibrant topic-driven community, this plugin is a game changer. Thanks for watching.